Hi guys, this video series is about creating a nodes CRUD API in Python. I will be using FastAPI and Postgres database. At the end of the series, you will be able to create these following endpoints: posting a note, fetching a single note, getting all the notes, updating a single note, and finally deleting a note. There are three prerequisites for this series. First is having a Python 3 environment. I prefer a virtual environment. Next is a code editor of your choice. I'll be using VS Code. Finally, Postgres database. I have structured the series in the following manner for easy understanding. In the beginning, I'll be using Python's built-in data type, list and dictionaries to store the nodes. The nodes are represented in dictionaries, and all the nodes are stored inside a list. That is a list of dictionaries. And later on, we'll be setting up the database and linking the database to APIs. That's it for the overview. See you in the next video.